Okay, during this video we're going to be creating the slide block for the Trammel toy drawings. To do this, we're going to come up here and select 2D Sketch, and we're going to draw this on the XY plane. Next, I'm going to select the rectangle tool. I'm going to start at the point of origin here, click up and drag in a positive direction. And I want to type in a distance of 1.75, and the height we want to read 0.375. And I'm going to finish the sketch. I want to extrude it, and I'm going to extrude it a distance of 0.75. Next, what I want to do is click on my view cube so I can see the bottom of that cube we just created, and I'm going to click on the bottom of it and create a new sketch. And we're going to draw a rectangle on the bottom of this, and I want this rectangle to read 1.75, and I want it to be a height of 0.45. Next, we're going to use the dimension tool to drive this to the right location so it lives in the right place. I'm going to click over here and dimension from here to the left side of the cube that we've already created, and I want this to read 0. Next, I'm going to dimension from this line to this line, and I want this to read 0.15. Next, we're going to finish the sketch. We're going to extrude this, and we want it to extrude 0.4375. Okay. Next, we're going to use the chamfer tool, so click on the chamfer tool, and we're going to create a chamfer on each of the 4 corners here that are 0.125 in distance. To do that, I'm just going to simply click on each of the corners, and select the green check mark. Okay, next we're going to select the hole command. So click on the hole command. We're going to put a hole somewhere near the center of this. So click in the center, and we want it to read 0.1875 for the pilot hole distance or diameter, and it's a through hole, so this first one should be toggled just like the default, how it is as a default. I'm going to click on the distance from one end to the other. This dimension or distance should read 0.875. And from the side, it should read 0.375. Click on Apply. Okay, next we want to select the material, so go up here to where it says Generic, and click on the aluminum 6061, and save this as your slide block in your Trammel toy folder. Okay, next what we want to do is modify this slide block that we just created. We're going to modify the hole because there's 2 slide blocks to this Trammel toy, and the second slide block has a tapped hole, or it's threaded. So what we want to do is modify our hole. So I'm going to go up to Hole in the browser. I'm going to right click on it and select Edit Feature. Next, what I want to do is on the dialog box is click on this tab right here, which indicates a tap bore, and we want it to read 1/4 inch 20 UNC and a size of 0.25, exactly what it says for the default. Next, I'm going to select OK, and we're going to save this as, we want to save this as the threaded slide block. Save this one as the threaded slide block in your Trammel toy folder.